Here's the brutal truth. Most side hustles are just a second job in disguise. You're trading hours for dollars, and the moment you stop working, the money stops flowing. But what if I told you there are 7 side hustles that don't just give you extra cash? They actually build long-term wealth, create assets, and can eventually run without you? Let's break down exactly what separates a wealth-building side hustle from one that just keeps you busy. The difference comes down to one thing: asset creation. When you drive for Uber or do food delivery, you're earning active income. It pays the bills, sure, but it doesn't build equity. A wealth-building side hustle creates something that appreciates, generates passive cash flow, or can be sold for a multiple of earnings down the road. That's the game changer. Let's start with side hustle number 1: content creation with evergreen assets. I'm not talking about becoming a full-time YouTuber or Instagram influencer. I'm talking about creating content that generates ad revenue, affiliate commissions, or sponsorships for years after you publish it. A single well-optimized YouTube video can earn anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per year in ad revenue alone, and it compounds as your channel grows. The average RPM, or revenue per thousand views, on finance content ranges from $15 to $40. If you publish one video per week for a year, and each video averages 10,000 views annually, you're looking at $7,000 to $20,000 in annual passive income that grows year over year. The asset here is your content library and your audience. Side hustle number 2: rental property, even if you only have $15,000. Traditional real estate requires 20% down, but platforms like Arrived Homes and Roofstock let you invest in fractional rental properties for as little as $100. But if you have $15,000 to $25,000, you can actually buy a rental property using an FHA loan with just 3.5% down. A $200,000 duplex would require only $7,000 down. Live in one unit, rent out the other. This strategy, called house hacking, lets you build equity while your tenant pays your mortgage. Over 10 years, that property could appreciate to $300,000 while you pay down $100,000 in principal. That's $200,000 in wealth creation from a $15,000 side hustle investment. Number 3: digital products and online courses. The margins here are insane, often 90 to 95% profit once the product is created. If you have expertise in anything from Excel to fitness to graphic design, you can create a course on platforms like Teachable or sell templates on Gumroad. A $50 course that sells just 10 copies per week generates $26,000 per year. The beautiful part? You create it once. Creators in the productivity and finance space regularly report 5 to 6-figure annual income from courses they created years ago. The asset is the intellectual property that sells while you sleep. Side hustle number 4: dividend-focused freelancing. Here's the twist. Instead of spending your freelance income, you immediately invested in dividend-paying stocks or ETFs. Let's say you do freelance writing, consulting, or design work that brings in an extra $2,000 per month. If you invest that entire amount into something like the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, which currently yields around 2.8%, you'd invest $24,000 per year. Over 10 years, with dividend reinvestment and historical market returns, you're looking at over $350,000. The side hustle isn't the wealth builder. The disciplined investing of that income is. Number 5: small business acquisition. Buying an existing profitable business is one of the most overlooked wealth-building moves. Sites like Flippa and BizBuySell list online businesses, content sites, e-commerce stores, SaaS products, selling for 2 to 4 times their annual profit. A site earning $2,000 per month in profit might sell for $60,000 to $90,000. Finance it with an SBA loan, which requires just 10% down, and you own a cash-flowing asset for $6,000 to $9,000 up front. The business pays for itself while you build equity. Side hustle number 6: affiliate marketing with SEO. Building niche websites that rank in Google and earn affiliate commissions creates a true passive income asset. A single affiliate site in the credit card, software, or home services space can generate $3,000 to $10,000 monthly once established. These sites often sell for 30 to 40 times monthly profit. A site earning $5,000 per month could sell for $150,000 to $200,000. You're building a digital asset with real enterprise value. Number 7: angel investing in equity deals. If you have capital from other side hustles, platforms like AngelList let you invest in startups for as little as $1,000. The wealth building happens when one investment returns 10 or 20 times your money. It's high risk, but as part of a diversified strategy, it offers exponential upside that salary and typical side hustles never will. So, which one should you choose? Start with your current skills and capital. Low capital? Start with content creation or affiliate marketing. Have 15 to 30,000? Consider real estate or business acquisition. Already earning extra income? Funnel it into dividend stocks. The key is to think like an investor, not just a worker. Build assets, not just income streams. That's how side hustles become serious wealth.